Welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Qualcomm. A lot of people do ask me about the Qualcomm updates, Intel, Cisco, these company updates. Okay, so here it is. There is a recruitment news from Qualcomm, and the post name is Embedded Software Development or Embedded Software Engineer. Okay, so if you are seeing EC Electronics channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel for daily recruitment updates and for subject related videos for EC, EEE and EI branches. Okay. So let us see the job update from Qualcomm of Embedded Software Engineer. So we'll see all details, and before going to the video, please do follow us on our Instagram page, and also if you want the notes of the subject videos, please do subscribe to our Telegram channel. Okay. So let us see the qualification details first. So the post name is Embedded Software Development. The post name is actually Embedded Software Development, and the location is Hyderabad. Okay, we can see it on the screen now. It is Hyderabad, and they have given the job ID and all here. The job area is engineering group, software engineering. Okay, so that is the job area. Now let us see the overview of the job. So this is actually the company summary. So if you see about the Qualcomm as a company, it is a company which is mainly focusing on wireless technologies. That is, they are having patents for 1G, 2G, and now they are moving to 5G technologies. Okay, so they are mainly focusing on the wireless standards. So the general summary, that is the skills and experience that you require, is like this: embedded software development, experience in complex software debugging, then experience in implementing high layer wireless protocols including L2, L1, FAPI, like this, then experience in Linux internals, TCP/IP networking, experience in Linux development environment, DSP programming, software architecture, data structures, operating system fundamentals. That is, you should be mainly having a very good base on wireless standards and also networking and DSP. Okay, so these three areas they are actually asking for this particular job. Okay, the physical requirements also they have mentioned here. Now, let us see the minimum qualifications. Okay, the education they are saying is bachelor's towards computer science. That is, if you have a BTech or BSc in computer science, or bachelor's in engineering, or bachelor's in information system. That is, you should be either a candidate from computer science background or an IT background or electrical electronics that background. Okay, so if you are belonging to any of these backgrounds, only then you are eligible to apply. So they are just asking bachelor's. So mostly BSc candidates can also apply. Okay, BSc, MSc, all those candidates can also apply. Then work experience also they are asking is 1+ years of experience in programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python. So nowadays when I'm doing these MNC recruitments, I always tell in my videos that if you are preparing for any companies like there is any big MNCs, especially for the core companies you are preparing, you should be having at least a basic knowledge in C, C++, Java, Python, these languages, at least any of these languages. That is either Java or C++. You should be at least having a very good basics. Okay. So that is a requirement, minimum qualification requirement. Next is work experience, 1+ years of experience in API, 1+ years of experience in data management software, or 1+ years of experience in large matrix organization. That is, if you have worked previously in a good organization like Qualcomm, then you should get a preference. Okay, so at least if you have 1+ years of experience, you can apply for this job. Also, you should be having a programming skill in C, C++, Java. So that is a basic qualification they are asking. Okay, so that's all about the qualification details. So if you are interested, please to apply for it. This job was actually posted 2 days ago when I'm making this video, and they have not mentioned the last date. Okay, so whenever they are getting enough applications, they'll be closing the link. Please don't wait till that, because you just have to click on this icon to apply. So when you are clicking on this icon, it will go to your that is autofill the resume, apply manually, use my last application. So I have actually previously applied for some jobs in Qualcomm, so it is showing like that. Okay, that is if you are interested, please click on this icon and apply online. Application procedure is online only. You don't have to pay any fees. Also, there is no age limit. They're not asking any particular year of pass out. That is, if you have passed out in 2020 or 2019 or 2018 or 2017, whichever year you have passed out, you are eligible to apply. The job location we have already seen, it is Hyderabad. Okay. So if you are interested, please to apply for it as soon as possible. The salary or the package that they are offering is mostly 800 K plus above on a yearly basis. That is 800K and above will be the salary on a yearly basis you will be getting from Qualcomm, because Qualcomm is actually one of the very highly paid organization, okay, especially for the electronics branch. So that's all about the salary details. And you're talking about the selection process. The selection process will be actually, this is a experienced person requirement, because 1+ year experience they are asking, right? So mostly there will be only technical interview and HR interview. And in technical interview, you can face questions mainly from the wireless technologies. Also, some coding rounds will be there for C, C++, Java or Python, because they are mainly asking these languages, right? So that will be the selection process, technical interview plus HR interview. There won't be the examination, computer-based examination or online examination won't be there, because this is not a fresher recruitment as such. Okay, so if you are interested, apply for it as soon as possible. And if you are finding these videos useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends. I'm trying to bring up maximum recruitment updates, especially for the electronics branch, EC, EI, and EEE branches. So if you are interested in watching those videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.